Welcome back to another video. I'm Ryan Certo.
Hey guys, what's up? Ryan Certo here, and today we are going to be taking a break from job testing. We're actually going to use a power washer. It's over there. And we are going to power wash these two phones. So one will be given to Miles, and this one will be mine. This one does not have a battery. Not sure what happened to the battery, where it could have gone. So this one doesn't power on. This one is currently powered on, and we will be checking the status of its powering on throughout this power washing test. So let's get in the video. Okay guys, it's kind of loud. I have it over there, but we're gonna go ahead and get this phone. We put it in a vise so it will stay, but let's go. Well, still works, actually. I just saved the photo by accident. Okay. Not sure if it was functioning before the collapse, but I think the old phone turned off. I ended up completely wrecking this whole front panel here. As you can see, it just, yeah, it came off. Rip. Literally rip. And, yeah, we're just gonna hit this phone from the back where the battery is, and Miles will get to go. Final damage report, we did some damage to the top of the battery here, and this phone probably has like major water damage and would no longer work. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next phone, which is right here. Miles is going to get to do whatever he wants this one. This one does not have a battery, but still one of these phones.
Water went inside the keyboard, destroying like the plastic and all the buttons. The buttons are just decimated. Completely and totally destroyed.
There's the screen.
Let's get right into the nose. Oh my gosh, you pleb! Okay, we have to.
Oh, fixed it with this. That didn't work. The next phone with the power washer. I'm gonna repeat that.